Today, we will be learning how to subtract ones or tens. Here, in the first one, we have 35 minus 2. So we have 35 minus 2 ones. On the right side, we would have 35 minus 20 in the blue. 35 minus 20, which is 35 minus 2 tens. Let's see how we do each one. 2 equals 2 ones. We are going to start at 35 and count back 2 ones. 35, 34, 33. 35 minus 2, or we count back twice, equals 33. Now we have 35 minus 20. The 20 equals 2 tens. Here we're going to start at 35 and count back 2 tens. 35, 25, 15. Now we know that 35 minus 20 equals 15. What we're doing here is we're going to be subtracting ones or tens, not both, 1 or 10. So here we have 67 minus 3 and 67 minus 30. In 67 minus 3 and 67 minus 30, we always start with our itty bitties. We always start with our ones. So here I'm going to do 7 minus 3. That's 4. Next, I have 6 minus blank, or 6 minus 0. This empty spot is a 0, so 6 minus 0 equals 6. So 67 minus 3, or 67 with 3 jumps back with ones, is 64. Now I have 67 minus 30. We always start with our itty bitties and we start with our ones. So first we're going to do 7 minus 0. 7 minus 0 equals 7. 6 minus 3 equals 3. You can see here that depending on where you put the 3, if you put it in the ones place or if you put it in the tens place, it's two totally different answers. 67 minus 3 equals 64. 67 minus 30 equals 37. Now I have 45 minus 1 and 45 minus 10. We always start with our ones. So 5 minus 1 equals 4. Now 4 minus 0 or 4 minus nothing or 4 minus blank equals 4. So 45 minus 1 or 45 with 1 hop back equals 44. Next we have 45 minus 10. We always start with our itty bitties and we start with our ones, so I'm going to put a box around the ones. 5 minus 0 equals 5. 4 minus 1 equals 3. So 45 minus 10 equals 35, or one huge jump back. Next, I have 74 minus 2 and 74 minus 20. For 74 minus 2, we're going to start with our ones. You can see our ones with this arrow. 4 minus 2 equals 2. 7 minus blank means 7 minus 0, and that equals 7. My answer here is 72. Next, I have 74 minus 20. I'm going to put a box around the ones. 4 minus 0 equals 0. Oh, just kidding, it's 4. 7 minus 2 equals 5. 74 minus 20 equals 54. Next, I have 54 minus 4 and 50 minus 40. We're going to do our ones first in our 54 minus 4. 4 minus 4 equals 0. 5 minus nothing equals 5 minus 0, which is 5. Next, I'm going to put a box around our ones. Oh boy, friends, this is a difficult one. 0 minus 0. Oof. 0 minus 0 equals 0. And now 5 minus 4, or 5 tenths minus 4 tenths, equals 1 tenth. So we know our answer is 50 minus 40 equals 10. Remember, we are paying attention to where we are lining up our subtraction, and also make sure we're paying attention that we're always doing the ones side first.